show you my bike. I just fresh rebuild, and it runs like a champ. I ain't gonna do a cold start because I've already started it, and I figured I'd do the video. So I'll walk over here. Yeah, you can hear it. Voila. Yeah, I gotta take the 97 off. It's my buddy's bike I bought. Put a kickstand on. Anything about racing, I don't know. Got a stock pipe. Runs good now. It's a nice bike, really. I just let it warm up. Yeah, it's good and warm. I figured I'd just show y'all. It sounds good, just. Yeah. If you want to, I'll take you all on a ride. How am I gonna do this? I ain't got a camera. So, let's just drop it in the gear. And I'll take off and roll with it. So yeah, it does pretty nice. So, that's all, guys. I just want to show you my bike. I mean, it's got, I think, rental bar. I don't know. It's got all kinds of. I gotta get an air filter. I'm getting ready to change the oil. I don't even know if you can hear me, but whatever. So, see y'all.